Hello, welcome. I'm going to show you an amazing tool that I use when I create content. It's called vidIQ. If you don't use it, you're going to want to use it now. I'm going to show you one trick. It's about creating thumbnails, and it is so easy. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you my dog. Bruno, you good boy? Are you a good boy? Hey, Beau. You a good boy? Okay, so these are some of the thumbnails I created already. It was very quick to create those. So what you do is you type in the little box there, whatever you want, and then type create. And it'll create the thumbnails for you. Just like that. Very easy. You have professional looking thumbnails, and you're not spending hours editing thumbnails here. So I spelled white wrong, but it still gives me white poodles. Pretty smart. And then show 2 Boston Terriers playing in the snow. Create. Then boom, you got 3 thumbnails, very quick, very easy, and they look great. Some of these thumbnails that we're creating here, I want to use. Here's another one here. Brightly colored leaves. And sitting on Santa's lap. Oh, those are pretty good thumbnails. Now I'm going to go into YouTube Studio. And I'm going to show you how to create a thumbnail through YouTube Studio and how this program works with it as well. So you can see the vidIQ icon over to the right. So now if you type in here, 2 dogs waiting for us to make their dog food, and hit generate thumbnail, it'll give you 3 that you can choose from. You can choose the best one. And then just hit the use thumbnail button, and it'll be on your video. You'll be using that thumbnail. So vidIQ works right in YouTube Studio. They make it very easy. And I can see 100,000 views. That's actually not real. It's giving you an idea how many views you can get with that thumbnail. Now I'm going to go back, and I realize that this thumbnail that I created last weekend, I didn't really like the thumbnail. So if you want to change it, you can go back and change it. So those are a few of the thumbnail suggestions that it gave me before. However, I'm going to type in some more specific wording and see if I can get something that's better. So I clicked on the They Love It one, and I'm going to use that thumbnail for my video. So I'm upgrading my thumbnail. As you can see, vidIQ makes it very easy to create thumbnails. Without this, I would be wasting my time on different programs trying to create the best thumbnail I could, to where just a couple clicks, you'll have thumbnails that look professional and people are going to want to click on. So vidIQ is a great program. I suggest everyone use it if you're a content creator. So click on the link in the description to sign up for vidIQ. Your videos will get many more views than you're getting right now. My views have grown immensely. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you like this video.